Oof. A knife. Where's my knife? Look at that. I'm sweating. I'm gonna take this shade here. Jesus. Hey fam, what's up? Christopher Julian and welcome back to another video. This one is going to be a bit of a unboxing, get ready with me, full face using one brand kind of video. So when there were Boxing Day sales on, I decided to go online and check out this beautiful brand. I have a few of their palettes, but I wanted to try and test out some of their face products because I see they've been getting rave reviews online. So here we have it. Juvia'S place. So the package came in this beautiful box. So I think I got a few of their shade sticks and their eye magic concealers and one of their Christmas collection package things. So I'm just gonna do a full face of makeup, and I won't talk about everything, unbox everything all in one go. I'll just sort of talk about each different product as it goes on anyway, and as I use it on my face. So let's open her up. Oh. So first off, we get a little makeup bag. I know this came with the Christmas collection. Yeah, we just have this cute little makeup bag. The Christmas collection also came with some brushes. So this is a face brush. Seems quite nice. And these are a bunch of eye brushes. So this is a part of the Christmas collection, so they're all quite nice. They feel very nice quality. Just a bunch of synthetic brushes. So I'll be using these to create the eye look today as well. To start off, we have a bunch of foundations that I got. So these are their shade sticks. So I got them in the shade Xoxo, Cameroon, Marrakesh, and Belize. Two of them, I got one a shade lighter and one a shade darker, so I could use it to potentially contour and do all that as well. I also got two eye magic concealers, and they are in the shade 24 and 15. So let's do some swatches on the face to see what shade I will be. So this shade is Belize, so let's give her a little swatch. Not a bad match, not a bad match. This is the shade Marrakesh. We'll just put it down next to it. A little bit more warm toned. So this one is the shade Xoxo. A lot lighter. Definitely my highlighting shade. And this is the shade Cameroon. So I feel like this is going to be my contour shade. Definitely. Look how dark that is. So obviously I think we can go for this shade right here. I'm going to take Belize and then just apply that over the whole face. And then I'm going to take Xoxo and put that on the under eyes. Over the forehead, down the sides of the nose. And then I'm going to take Cameroon to do my contour. So now that I have my base on, I'm just going to take a damp beauty sponge and blend it all out. Perfect, and there we have a flawless base on. I really enjoyed. It's a pretty full coverage foundation and it really just blends so nicely onto the skin. I'm just going to be taking some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to the under eyes, applying it to the forehead because that's where I tend to crease a lot. Dipping in very lightly, quickly going over and setting the rest of the face. Doesn't look too muddy, I don't think. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think it's got a very nice flawless base. I will now zoom you guys in and we can get started on the eyes. Okay, so I just quickly did my brows off camera. This brow is having a very good brow day, but this one, let's just not talk about her. Let's get on to the eye look. I'm just going to take the Juvia'S Place Magic Concealer in J24, and I'm just going to use that to prime my lid. I'm just going to take this Juvia'S Place sort of like concealer brush. Just use that to blend all that out. So there we have our lid primed. Now onto the shadows. We have 3 shadows that came in the box as a part of the Christmas collection. The first palette that we have to choose from is the Afrique by Juvia'S, and these are the colours in it. Extremely beautiful colour scheme. Our second palette that we have is the Douce by Juvia'S, and then this is the colour scheme that we have. You could do a lot of different looks with this one. Our third and final palette that we got was the Nomad by Juvia'S. This is a beautiful colour scheme as well. I could just think of so much. Look how pretty this yellow is. So upon first initial impacts, I really do enjoy the Afrique, just because I feel like I could do a lot of stuff with that one. I will be using the Afrique by Juvia'S. I think I might take this shade first and use that to create like a sort of transition. I'm going to take it on this big fluffy blending brush by Juvia'S Place. I'm just going to start blending that on the crease. Come on, pigment, where are you at? Not a great deal of colour payoff. Now we're starting to get something. So kind of got down that yellow base transition there. I'm also going to take this brush, which also came in the brush set, just to tuck under that yellow. I'm going to take this shade here called Dakar, right in the crease there. Oh, that's better. This is the kind of colour payoff I was expecting, Juvia'S. And now we've created that sort of transition there from the yellow to that darker, that kind of like really nice orange shade. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take this Togo shade here. I'm just gonna take on this flat Juvia'S Place brush, give it a bit of a spritz, Mario Badescu. Ooh, pack that on the inner corner. Okay, blend in between those two. I'm now going to take this Contenu shade. I'm going to take it on a Morphe M506 because I need something that's a bit more precise, and then just really pack that on the outer corner. Now we're going to work on the lower lash line. Just get that darker shade again, tuck it really closely, and we're going to bring it about halfway in. And we're going to take some of that Contenu shade and then just tuck that right just on the outer portion. Blend it all out with that eye shade. So pretty. And then I'm also going to take some of that Togo shade, pack it along the inner third. And just to finish off the eye look, I'm going to be taking the shade Angelique, just taking on this little Juvia'S Place brush and then just popping that on the inner corner. Oof. And there we go, there we have one eye all complete. I will do the other eye off camera, pop on some lashes and mascara, and then we can get on to fixing up the rest of the face. Alright fam, so there we have the eyes all completed. I think it turned out quite pretty actually. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But now we're going to get onto the rest of the face. Because I've already sort of created like a light contour with what I did before, I didn't want to do too much of a contour, but I will take the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette and just very use this to very lightly contour. My nose, maybe just a touch. Okay, snatched. We did get a blush that came with the Christmas collection. So this is the Serafina blush, and it looks like this beautiful peachy pink blush. Oh, so stunning. So I'm just gonna get my Morphe E4, just dip a little bit into that, smile, and then place that on the apples of the cheek. I always like to place it at the front of the cheeks and then just like pull it back. That is a lot of blush. Stunning. We have a few different highlighters that we can choose from. Oh my god, the last thing I needed in my makeup collection was more highlighters. The first one we have is the Tribe Highlighter Volume 2 by Juvia'S Place. It's a very, very, very bronzy highlighter. Then we have the Tribe Highlighter Volume 3, type of champagne-y highlighter. Then we have the Heroine's Glow 2 by Juvia'S, which is this sort of like beautiful peachy pinky highlighter. I think that one would kind of be perfect for this look as well. Then we have this loose highlight by Juvia'S Place in the shade Cleo, which is very much a like champagne-y crystallized highlight as well. I might use that over the top, but we will see. I think I'll be going into the Heroine Glow 2 by Juvia'S, my Morphe M501. Brush it into that one there, and then just put it on the highest points of the cheek. Yes, goes so well with that blush as well. So beautiful! Take some of this loose highlight and just use that to highlight the brow bone. Oh, look at that. I'll just get a little bit of that and then just put that right in the center. Oh my god. Bitch, I'm gonna need to blend this the hell out. Look at that. It just like brightened up the inner eyes like times a million. And the final product is the Queen Lip Gloss. This is the Juvia'S Place lip gloss in the shade Royalty. So I don't think I'm gonna put a lipstick on. I will just go straight over with lip gloss and let my natural lips shine because, oh my god, it seems like it's a very pigment lip gloss. Anyway, let's see how we go. That is like a lipstick. That is a very pigmented lip gloss. If you call this a lip gloss, this has got to be one of the most pigmented lip glosses ever. Now I don't know whether it really goes with this look, but we'll make it work and we'll turn it out because that was the challenge of today. So I'm just gonna put on some setting spray and then I will give you my final thoughts. Plus Mario Badescu. So there we have the complete look. I'm feeling bronzed, I'm feeling beautiful, I'm feeling golden, I'm feeling radiant. Overall, I knew Juvia'S Place would not disappoint, and they did not. Tell me what you guys think, let me know what you want me to do for future videos. Kind of been in a bit of a stuck at a standstill, like not knowing what I want to do and what I need to do and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's fun living that kind of a life, but I mean, I really want to get into creating content more as well now. I'll be moving places soon, so hopefully I can get a really good setup and then it will promote me to want to do more videos and stuff like that. But I mean, this is the look for today. Juvia'S Place, you always come through. Please add me to your PR list. I'm a little boy of color. That has been the video for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I have been Christopher Julian, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, fam.